look at the size of the rocks. What the hell is that?
That's hail, but it's kind of like rocks, yeah. So it's mashed really, really.
Oh. Oh god. Oh my god.
Sarah, did you know that recently some crazy weather events have been happening in America?
No.
Yeah, and specific in Texas, one of our viewers sent us this video. The title is basically Cows in Texas. I believe this was a crazy hailstorm. How bad? Well, I guess we shall see. Sarah, say hello to our friends.
Hi guys.
Our friends, thank you so much for all the support. We really appreciate that. That's it, Sarah. Ask them for the most important thing.
Guys, leave a like, thumbs up.
And if they subscribe,
You make our day.
damn right. Link below for the original video. By the way, you can also wipe the video nowadays. Helps a lot. Stay safe if you live in one of those regions. And
Yes.
Let's go.
Oh, look at the size of the rocks. What the hell is that?
That's hail, but it's kind of like rocks, yeah. Oh my god, it's actually destroying even the trees. Oh man, this is Texas. What? So it's mashed really, really.
Oh. Oh god. Oh my god.
Oh, okay. I kind of knew this would be bad, but I didn't watch the video for logic reasons. So I want to react to this. This is worse than I thought.
Yeah.
Oh my god, the destruction is insane. Imagine the cars outside.
Oh yeah. Forgot the cars.
Probably
Yeah.
they also have the glass, the window. Everything should be broken. I'm gonna
Yeah.
assume.
God. Jesus. It's not normal.
No, I never saw anything like this.
Oh my god. What the hell?
You know what? I think even for most of our viewers, this is something that they never saw. I'm gonna assume, right, my friends? We have hailstorms,
Yeah.
but it's not like this at
No.
all. I mean,
Oh my god.
Oh my gosh!
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Look how big.
the end of the
Oh
world.
my goodness.
The world is crazy.
Yeah. And you know what? Imagine the animals outside and stuff
Oh
like that.
yes.
This is sometimes we only think about our humans,
True,
but you know
yeah.
the animals are damn.
Oh my goodness.
Large hail struck Texas and the town of Leakey when a powerful thunderstorm moved across the hill country, unleashing enormous ice stones that pounded the small community and shocked residents with the storm's sudden violent arrival.
Yeah, this is
How can this happen in Texas?
Yeah, specific
the
in-
weather is warm, right?
Yeah, specific in Texas is I mean, even if this was Montana or North Carolina or whatever,
yeah.
it's North Carolina in the south, North Dakota. I mean, I would be more. I mean, it would shock me still, but okay, I know snow, cold, and
Yeah.
stuff like that is more common in the Midwest and the North. In Texas is insane to
It's
see.
insane.
Again, at this level, is insane everywhere, you know. But
Down on that screwdriver. Either way, if that's true, that's gonna make the loosen it all.
Jesus.
That's crazy.
take a look at the clash.
Yeah.
Look at them clashing.
Mm.
Damn.
god.
Who's hurt someone? Oh my god.
If you are outside,
Yeah.
like you're not even can you hide?
Yes.
The hail fell with extraordinary
Oh,
force,
you can.
producing stones reported between 3 and 4 inches across. Residents described the noise on rooftops and vehicles as deafening, while streets quickly
I'm gonna assume some rooftops also got broken, you know.
Yeah, for
became
sure.
covered with scattered chunks of ice.
It's not ice in Texas?
I understand that in Texas, I think also we have a wrong idea about Texas, to be honest.
Yeah,
I
okay.
think within Texas it's always summer, but sometimes they deal with this, you know. Certain regions in Texas, I would not say they have a tough winter, but they have a winter, basically, you know. But this is an exception. I mean, this does not happen normally, I would say.
I'm so sorry, my friend, but I had to stop the video. I was looking at my statistics on YouTube, and guess what? Most of my viewers are not subscribers. How the hell is that possible? Please consider to do it if you are one of those. That said, we are not done. Another thing, if you can follow me on social media, links below. That would mean the world to me. You make my day, as you are aware. There is also a Patreon link below, and you may find some country music reactions. Take a look. You can join for free, actually. That said, let's continue with this.
Oh my god, oh my god.
That's raining.
It's raining rocks.
It's raining rocks, yes.
Jeez.
I mean, I always ice cream, but it's a rock.
Vehicles were among the most heavily affected property during the storm. Windshields cracked, car bodies were dented, and parked trucks and family cars across driveways and streets showed severe impact marks from the giant hail.
How long did this last, you know?
Yeah, good question,
If
yeah.
this was, I mean, even if this was a couple of seconds, a lot of damage would be done. But imagine if this goes for like 20 minutes or so.
Local businesses also experienced serious losses as the hailstorms swept through
believe.
town. Storefront glass broke, outdoor equipment was destroyed, and several small establishments faced costly repairs that temporarily disrupted normal daily operations.
Okay, but you know what? People told me that recently a lot of crazy weather events have been happening, like I said at the beginning. I guess this is a bit of an extreme case, but a lot of crazy winds. I believe maybe some hurricanes at this point. I'm not sure. Tornadoes, maybe. But I think this is the time kind of that this tends to happen. If this makes sense, you know.
Okay.
I'm pretty sure tornado season may be April or something, but I'm not sure.
just hit my truck.
The sound is scary.
Well,
Can you imagine watching that? And you probably are afraid of something. I mean, I'm gonna assume maybe my roof will not hold, you know, this, or maybe my windows will broken. It's,
Oh my goodness. Oh. It may break my window. Oh my gosh.
it can break the windows easily.
One of the most dramatic scenes occurred at a local plant nursery, where thousands of plants were crushed by the storm. Pots shattered across the ground, while heavy ice stones flattened rows of vegetation.
This city is a bit all over in terms of the footage. I think we saw that already.
It's crazy.
And even jumping and stuff like that. I wonder if the government end up sending some message to people living here that this would happen or not.
Yeah.
I like the typical neighborhood.
Homes across Leakey suffered visible damage as windows shattered and roofs were dented by the falling hail. Many houses required immediate inspection after the storm because the impact of the stones weakened shingles and exposed structures.
They better have insurance too. Looks like snow now. I knew this would be great, but I really didn't expect it to be this crazy. This will affect a lot of businesses, even for example farming and stuff like that.
Emergency vehicles were not spared from the storm's damage either. Several law enforcement patrol cars were struck by hail that dented metal panels and cracked windows, forcing some units to be temporarily removed from active service.
Imagine if you are driving in this episode, you are in the highway,
So dangerous.
camp.
Roads and outdoor areas were briefly coated with hail, creating hazardous conditions for drivers and pedestrians. In some locations, the ice accumulated enough to resemble a thin blanket scattered across streets and fields. Despite the dangerous conditions, emergency responders continued working to assist residents. Authorities monitored damage reports and helped secure affected neighborhoods while the storm slowly moved away from the Leakey area.
Okay, I guess you can end this because the video shows the same footage all over.
Oh, I hope everyone is doing well.
We have a lot of viewers from Texas, so I don't know, maybe we have people that got affected by this. It's really sad to see this type of stuff.
Yes.
It's fascinating to see in a weird way because it's a crazy event, but at the end of the day, you know, people, animals, a lot of people lose a lot of stuff with this type of event. So
Yes.
it's tragic. Sarah, that's it. Say goodbye to our friends.
Bye, guys.
Bye, my friends.